Hi, I'm Paul at insectsforsale.com. I wanted to show you today our telescoping butterfly net. When you purchase a telescoping butterfly net, this is the package that it'll come in. Just a regular priority mail package, kind of prism shaped. And the whole thing will be inside of there. Let me take it out. All right. This is what it looks like outside of the package. And you have, first of all, you've got the telescoping handle. And then you've got this other package inside there that includes the net and includes your collapsible hoop. There's the hoop. And then here's the net. Open this net up. Now these nets we had custom made so that they would be long enough to be able to more easily catch butterflies and keep them from getting away and catch whatever it is, whatever flying insect you might want to use with your aerial net. Now to put the net onto the hoop, let me show you how to do this. It opens up. And that goes inside there like that, but first we have to put the net on. I start with this small end right here, the end that doesn't have the bolt on it. And you feed it right into this sewn in area and just feed it on around. It took us a while to be able to find a net like this. It's both telescoping and collapsing, makes it easier to store. There now. I've got that all together. Set that aside and take out my telescoping handle. Telescoping handle has a nice hard plastic, or actually it's more of a rubbery plastic grip on it. Make it easy to swing, and then it's got 3 different sections to it. 1, 2, 3 that slide in and out, and then you use these to tighten it. That way you can change its height. You may want it just, kind of short. Or you may want to extend it further and tighten it. We'll just leave this extended. And then to put it on the end, it's just got that end right there. And then this end, you just screw it in. It's real easy. this is an aerial net, and it's great for catching butterflies or anything really that's in the air that is not, you know, you don't want to sweep it through pricky brush or anything like that, but you can even use this to sweep through some grassy areas. It works really well. Now, one of the things that we had them manufacture for us is we had them extend the length of this net. And the reason is because when you catch a butterfly, you flip it over after it's in the net. And that's how you're going to hold it. So, I don't know if you can see that right. Let's see how it's flipped over. It's important because otherwise, when you try to get it out, it makes it a lot easier for that butterfly to escape. Or wasp, which would be even worse. And then you just grab the end of it. And you have it trapped in there, and you can maneuver it into your fingers if it's a butterfly. Bringing your hand up in there, or maybe putting a jar up in there if it's a wasp. So that's it. That is our aerial butterfly net. Available on the website at insectsforsale.com. I think it's also available at our educational website, bugcollectors.com. So thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe.